Hi everyone, welcome back to Aquaria Lab. Today we're going to show you how to sprout mung beans, because we all know that diet is a huge component in breeding any type of bird. Alrighty guys, so we're going to give you a few reasons as to why we do actually sprout mung beans for our pigeons. So we've got one, which is increases nutrient components substantially. So that's really important when you're breeding birds, because the female's going to be eating for 2 chicks as well, and they have to grow really fast, so that's very important. The second is it becomes a nutritious green food. So in aviculture and the poultry industry, green food is just famous for being very important for your birds. 3 is that it initiates breeding due to increased nutrients, green food. If they start to get green food in the wild, they usually start breeding because it means that there's abundant food available. And 4, great source of protein for chicks to grow. We kind of already touched on that, and gives birds a variety of food to try. We want to keep your birds' lives interesting. It's not only for the keeper to be interested, you got to make sure that your birds are occupied and they've always got something to do. So today we have an ice cream container, some water, and we got obviously our mung beans. So let's get started. Alrighty, so we have a bag of mung beans that you can just pick up from your local produce store or pet store. And what we're going to do is we're just going to put in enough to cover the bottom. So that should be enough. Probably a handful, maybe just a bit more than a handful. And you get water and simply pour it on top. I'll do half of that. So you have to put a lot of water in with the mung beans, because mung beans are famous for absorbing a lot of water. So all we want for them to do is to absorb a lot of water, expand and get a little sprout, and then we should be good. So I'll see you in the next stage. Alrighty, so now our final step is to put a tiny bit of bleach in, and you're probably thinking, whoa, like that's not good for birds. It's actually beneficial for the birds, because when you sprout the mung beans, you get all sorts of diseases, fungus, bacteria, all sorts of pathogens that come into the seed and could make your bird ill. So what we do is we simply get home brand bleach, and if you're young, make sure you have a parent to do this for you. Just put a tiny bit in the cap. So now we're just gonna put the bleach in the water with the mung beans. Tiny bit of bleach, as you can see. Just put that back on, and you just use your finger or a fork or whatever, and you just stir it around to make sure the water is completely diffused with the bleach. And all we do now is put some Glad wrap or plastic wrapping on top of that and put it in the pantry or cupboard. So these are the 5 very important reasons for why we sprout seed, and especially mung beans. So I hope you enjoyed the video.